You did it. You see? Good job. Yes. That's how song moves.
That's cool. Really cool.
It is.
Good afternoon, Northside STEM in Minneapolis. My name is Dr. Calvin Mackey of STEM Nola, and once again, I'm honored to be able to present and bring a virtual STEM event for Summit Academy OIC. Today, we're going to look at the physics of sound. Music plays such a big role in a culture, and at the basis of music and sound is physics and math, and we're going to show you that today. Next up, I'm going to have my friend, the CEO of Summit Academy OIC, Louis King.
The reason I'm excited about this is because my belief is that all of you can grow up to be scientists, engineers, IT professionals, and it is my intent to provide you with the opportunities you need.
I'm about to bring up to you one of our college interns. He's going to do some amazing experiments, sound demonstrations for you.
I'm gonna make some friction on these handles, and the friction is gonna travel to the ball into the water. You can see the water dancing. Now, what's next is we are going to use fire. I love this activity. What's happening is I'm heating up the air molecules inside this pipe. So when they get out, they is gonna make a sound.
We are going to do activities to reinforce the physics of sound. My K-2 students, you all are going to make your own guitar. In the 3rd through 12th graders, you're going to build your own xylophone.
So the first activity we're gonna do today is the kazoo.
Take your larger rubber band, pull out your pen. Good. So you're gonna wrap it around that popsicle stick.
All right, I got it.
Okay, awesome.
Good job, you guys.
So this is the PVC-T socket. We're going to connect the elbow to that.
You're going to take your balloon and you're going to cut it just at the end of the mouthpiece right here.
Let me know once you have your balloon on there.
I
Just
have
like
it
this.
on.
Awesome.
When you hum through the pipe, it vibrates on the balloon, and it actually creates a frequency. Okay, so we're gonna move on to activity number 2, which is the gummy bear wave.
On a skew of 2 gummy bears.
That's it, Isaiah, you got it just right.
See how it moves? It's still all the while, and I hit.
One moves, the rest move.
Right.
And then we're folding the longer ends on top of it.
All right, I got my 3 pieces of tape on.
Okay, good.
So I know it won't pop.
Cut the length and the width.
So just cut the sides.
Yes, just cut the sides. There you go. Now tape that.
Hey, that fits perfectly.
Yes. There you go. Good job.
So sound is produced by striking the strings and making them vibrate. So now you guys have enough equipment to make your own band.
You guys know what a xylophone is?
It's an instrument that's also used as a baby tool.
You connect it to the bottom of the elbow.
Next, we have those short pieces. Okay, let's use 2 of those and connect them to the PVC you have.
Oh, I know what to do.
Yeah.
Both sides.
Yeah, you're gonna put the short ones on both sides.
Okay, so I might put the smaller pieces on these parts.
Yes.
Here it is.
Do you notice anything about the sound, Janaya?
The smaller it is, the higher it is.
Yeah, that's perfect.
We loved it. It was so much fun. Pretty much the thing that's interesting is that we actually made stuff. Olivia really likes science, so she was excited to kind of gain more skills, and she wants to be a scientist one day.
So I really enjoyed getting to work with y'all today. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and y'all have a great rest of your weekend.